बड़ा यूनिक सा फ्लेवर जो है ना हर बार स्क्रीन पे लेके आते हैं, छोटे पर्दे से बड़े पर्दे तक। जब जब हमने इनको देखा है इनके लिए प्यार ही निकलता है और यहाँ पे तो प्यार के साथ साथ और भी बहुत कुछ निकल रहा है। गिव इट अप फॉर राकेश बेदी साहब, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। ऑफ कोर्स whatever we saw, और आपको तो क्या क्या इल्जाम लगाए जा रहे हैं अभी पता लगेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, now let's hear it for the man navigating the absolute darkest shade of black, the angel of death, Arjun Rampal. Welcome on stage the master strategist, the charioteer of karma, R. Madhu. बुलाने जा रहा हूं। देखिए, इट्स आवर ड्यूटी, हम सबकी ड्यूटी है कि सबसे जोरदार तालियों से हम उनका स्वागत करें। द डेब्यूटेंट who chose an unconventional path with this film, the fresh infusion, Sara Arjun. I'm going to do that. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, the moment is here. It's time to invite on stage the man of the moment who embodies the film's intense spirit. And let me tell you, he's one of the finest Indian actors who's gone global. And how? International se leke national. He is everywhere. We all love him. Give it up for Ranveer. Ladies and gentlemen, वो झप्पी मिल गई, अभी मैं भूल गया क्या बोलने वाला था. It's time to invite on stage this producer extraordinaire और जिनको अपनी audiences के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है. जितनी बार भी B62 Studios के साथ ही कुछ लेकर आए हैं, इन्होंने किली किया है. लोकेश धर साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. There comes the man, ladies and gentlemen. So now it's time to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the force that champions ambitious cinema from India to the world. President of Jio Studios, Jyoti Deshpande. बुलाने जा रहे हैं, ladies and gentlemen. Who's this brilliant इंसान, I would say. एक बहुत ही कमाल के human being. Let's welcome National Award winning director and the visionary behind this monumental truth, Dhurandhar Aditya Dhar. मतलब समय बस निकलता रहेगा, पता नहीं लगेगा. We'll start with Rakesh sir. Thank you so much for being a part of this film. सभी सिने लवर्स की तरफ से बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. You know, we often talk about your humor. We often talk about your comedy timing, जो comedic timing आपकी होती है. But यहाँ पे it's a perfect blend of that menace and at the same time थोड़ा-थोड़ा humor. क्या होने वाला है? Please बताइए sir.
Well, दोस्तों, first of all, thanks to Aditya for having this faith in me that I could pull this role so well. I mean, I don't know well. बाप रे इतनी इंटेंस फिल्म मेरे लिए और इतना इंटेंस रोल, तो लोग तो ढूंढेंगे यार राकेश भाई आया तो कुछ तो करेगा। तो मैंने धीरे 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 कुछ स्पेसेस ढूंढनी शुरू करी जहां पर आई कुड स्प्रिंकल शब्द सम ह्यूमर। और आदित्य के साथ बैठकर जब भी हमने एज वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग तो मैं बोलता कि हालांकि इन द बिगनिंग ही वाज अ बिग रिलक्टेंट कि नहीं नहीं राकेश जी ऐसा मत कीजिए। मैंने कहा नहीं एक बार करने दे यार, थोड़ा बहुत करने दे। यू नो वो जो आपने देखा होगा वो टीजर में था एक ऐसे हाथ मारने वाला, वो भी पहले इसने बोला मत करो। मैंने कहा नहीं यार प्लीज करने दे यार प्लीज, लोग बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे उसको। और वो हुआ एंड धीरे धीरे वेल एंड my journey with him started from Uri with a very small role and I've come a long way with this film. और मैं इतना कहूँगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि आपने जो भी अभी इस पर्दे पर देखा है, पिछले 2 बार आपने देखा है, वो लिटरली ट्रेलर ही था। फिल्म तो अभी बाकी है दोस्तों।
हा राकेश सर, क्या बात है। नाउ इट्स ओवर टू अर्जुन भाई, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अर्जुन रामपाल, जिनसे उचित दूरी बनाई रखनी होगी हम सबको। यू नो व्हाटएवर वी सॉ ऑन दैट बिग स्क्रीन इज फैबुलस, फाड़ू है वो एकदम। टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट सीन व्हेन दैट वाज एक्सप्लेन्ड टू यू प्लीज, जिससे ये सब शुरू होता है। व्हाट डिड आदित्य सर टेल यू, हाउ वाज इट एंड द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज, टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट।
Firstly, good morning, everybody. Wonderful to see all of you here, and thank you all for coming. मैं ज़्यादा सीन के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता because I'll tell you what, प्रोसेस के बारे में बात करना, सीन के बारे में बात करना, डायरेक्टर और एक्टर क्या सोच रहे थे, जब मैं ये सब बातें करने लगता हूँ तो और अपने आप को सुनता हूँ तो मुझे खुद मैं अपने आप को बोरिंग महसूस करता हूँ मैं, तो वो नहीं करूँगा। बट टुडे इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डे, इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे क्योंकि अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म हैज़ बीन मेड एंड दैट इज़ दिस फिल्म धुरंधर, थैंक्स टू दिस मैन आदित्य धर। वो पेपर पे ही जब उन्होंने ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी, इतनी एम्बिशियस फिल्म को बैक करने के लिए यू नीडेड समबडी लाइक अ ज्योति एंड अ जियो, एंड विदाउट दैट नन ऑफ अस वुड बी हियर स्टैंडिंग हियर, ओके। एंड जो भी लोग जुड़े हैं इस फिल्म के साथ, मैं आज उन सब का गुजार हूँ और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा उन सब लोगों को, फ्रॉम द हेयर मेकअप टीम, कॉस्ट्यूम टीम, art department team, cinematography team, okay, the music team, all the actors. Aditya has made us look so ugly in this movie. Thank you so much. कि कोई हमें पहचानेगा ही नहीं,
the most handsome on set.
because he wanted to look the most handsome on set. But the process all of us had to take, everybody had to bring their triple A game to this film. And Ranveer, what he did for 2 years, I've seen this man, I mean, wow. I have seen him, I'm so proud of him because it's not easy. What he did, I did not see Ranveer even once in the frame. It was always Hamza. And that was incredible. Okay, Maddie, this is the first time I'm working with him. Unfortunately, we don't have any scenes together. But I remember the first day I went to Dhurandhar set was in Bangkok. और बारिश हो रही थी बाहर, और मैडी वॉज शूटिंग और मैं गया, मैं बोला ये कौन है एक्टर यार, कमाल का एक्टर है, बड़े अच्छे से डायलॉग वगैरह दे रहा है।
मुकेश ने बड़ी अच्छी कास्टिंग करी है इस बार।
मुकेश ने तो कमाल की कास्टिंग कर दी है, ओके। एंड इट वाज मैडी, आई डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज हिम, ही इज फिनोमिनल, ओके, इन द फिल्म। मेरे 2 भाई अक्षय और संजू सर, उन दोनों का वीज़ा नहीं लगा तो वो नहीं आ पाए आज, बट आई मिस देम and they both, Akshay is absolutely mad in the movie, Sanju sir is phenomenal, okay, Rakesh sir, you have been brilliant, Sarah, you've had the best launch, and if I'm missing out anybody, I'm really, really sorry, but really I want to thank this whole team for giving us something very, very special. Thank you Aditya, thank you Jyoti once again.
Thank you so much.
This movie is a movie which is going to go on timelessly for ages. हम चले जाएंगे, ये पिक्चर रहेगी.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, R. Madhavan. Mary sir, this one's for you. You know, how did it all happen for you? Because this is something, this is a mastermind. This is not traditional heroism, right? It's more cerebral. वो सोच रहा है, वो कुछ strategy बनाता है. So for you, how was that, first of all, your approach toward for that character? And at the same time, जैसे अर्जुन सर ने बताया कि when he saw you for the first time, it was like, ये कौन actor है यार? आपके लिए वो standout moment क्या था इस पूरे film के दौरान?
Hey, I love you right back. Very good afternoon, guys. Thank you. बहुत सारे चीज़ों के बारे में मैं नहीं बात करना चाहता क्योंकि अभी हमारी फिल्म आनी बाकी है और मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जिस दिन आदित्य मुझसे मिलने आए थे किसी और फिल्म की शूटिंग पे और बहुत जल्दी में आए थे कि मुझे एक नरेशन देना है, आपसे बात करनी है और मैंने इनके बातों को सुनी और रिसर्च मैंने सुनी थी ना, तो मुझे लगा कि ये आदमी कहाँ था अब तक यार, ये नेशनल अवार्ड विनर तो है पर ये कहाँ था, क्योंकि मेरे सौभाग्य में ये रहा है कि मैं बहुत ऐतिहासिक फिल्मों का हिस्सा रहा हूँ, बना नहीं लेकिन हिस्सा ज़रूर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ऐतिहासिक ये होने वाली है क्योंकि इस फिल्म जब रिलीज होगी तो एक जॉनर ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है इंडियन सिनेमा में ख़त्म हो जाएगा और मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि जब मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा था इस लुक के लिए तो हम काफ़ी देर तक लगे हुए थे, कुछ 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे उस लुक में आने के लिए और फिर मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था और हमें लग रहा था कि एक चीज़ कुछ मिसिंग है, एक चीज़, बस एक चीज़ मिसिंग है जिसकी वजह से एक सिमिलैरिटी जो हमें चाहिए थे वो मिल नहीं रहा था और फिर आदित्य ने आके कहा कि मैडी अपनी होंठ पतले कर लो, उन्हें कहा कि होंठ पतले कर लो, तो पूरे फिल्म में मैंने ये होंठ पतले कर और फिर जो रिजेम्बलेंस आई है एक छोटी सी वजह से वो पूरा चेंज हो गया एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैं महारथी हूँ, नहीं मैं धुरंधरों के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ सारे के सारे एंड फॉर मी इट हैज बीन अ कंप्लीट ऑनर, privilege and if I may say shitting in my pant moment because each one of them is such an extraordinary actor. You have to be very careful about not letting your balls down, you know, and literally the word, you know, you have to play the game and for me I have to thank Mukesh Chhabra for having the vision and Aditya Dhar for casting me and Lokesh for making it happen and to this rocket over here who's standing behind like a tycoon behind or like a typhoon behind all of us. But like I said, we will say all the thank yous and all the gratitudes once the film is released. We'll get many opportunities, I'm sure, for parties like this. But I have to tell you, it's been a complete privilege to work with all my brothers here who are darlings and to this super rock star who has invested not just his time, dedication, life. I can't tell you all that he's invested, but I'm going to tell you, Ranveer, this is going to be the biggest payback of your life, bro.
We love you, Maddie, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. जोरदार तालियां अब मैडी सर के साथ साथ, ladies and gentlemen, जो कदम रख रही हैं फिल्मी दुनिया में इसके साथ इस बहुत ही beast kind of movie के साथ, Sara Arjun. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Sara, welcome. How was it to be a part of this utter madness that we saw on the big screen? ये regular नहीं है, ये हम हर बार मतलब देखने को नहीं मिलता है. This is madness. Being a part of this with these wonderful people. Talk to us about it.
Hello. Sorry. It was an absolute blessing to be a part of this madness, and I think it's every artist's dream to work with. These are some of the most versatile actors in our country. And yeah, I mean, I've dreamt of this my whole life. But now that it's all really happening, I keep sitting with my parents and I'm like, please pinch me. Because it's बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. And, but yeah, I just want to thank Mukesh sir, Aditya sir, Lokesh sir, and you for giving me this chance. And everybody has just been so good to me. And yeah, जो भी हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है.
I want to say that she packs a punch in the film and she holds her own. And अच्छे से, she's also one of the dhurandhars in the film.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
See, there was They were almost, Mukesh had done almost 1,300 auditions. And she was the one she was brilliant. She was the best in those auditions.
Wow, wow.
So
That says a
she's-
lot about you, Sara.
Yeah. She's gonna be a rock star.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं यार, बनती हैं. I know. क्योंकि अब जो आ रहे हैं ना वो जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं वही सेंटर स्टेज बन जाता है ना? I know. I'll be talking to him now. Ladies and gentlemen, Dhurandhar Ranveer Singh. You know,
Hey!
I've said it every single time, but आज मैं और conviction के साथ बोल रहा हूँ. ये जो raw, unapologetic Indian अवतार जो आपका देखने को मिला है, it's definitely gonna take our Indian film industry वो global map पे थोड़ा और ऊपर. How does it feel to be a part of this and doing this on that big screen, Ranveer?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद नितिन. You are my lucky charm. Thank you for doing this for us and thank you for being here. Thank you everybody for joining us on this special occasion. All our love and gratitude. Thank you ma'am for creating this grand and glorious launch for what is an insane trailer. That's the first time I'm seeing it. मैं भी पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. मुझे बोला भाई साहब ये क्या था? So it was really something. I'm very proud to be a part of this movie. Like Arjun sir said, it's not nice to talk about your process and whatnot. It kind of, I feel, takes the magic away. But I'm so happy that I got to be a part of something where we're trying to push for something more. You know, take our cinema to the world. I feel like it's India's moment on the world stage, and we want to be at the center of it and represent Indian cinema on the global stage. You know, it's a complex, layered story with such technical finesse and execution that aapke hosh ud jayenge. I have to compliment the team, Mr. Vikash Naulakha, our DOP, who's not here today, who's created a visual world that's unlike any other and at par with any movie in the world. जब सर ने मेरे को ये कहानी सुनाई, मैं तो हक्का बक्का रह गया. मैं बस सर ऐसे होता है. लाइक हाँ बेटा, ऐसा भी होता है. It is the most, as the slate says, incredible true story. आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. And it's engaging, gripping, tense and entertaining throughout. And what I love about it, it's most rare quality. That's massy without trying to be massy. It is pitch perfect, sir, the way you pitched it. It is absolutely impeccably credible, yet absolutely commercial. It is that sweet spot that we always aspire for in commercial cinema. I'm so proud to be a part of it. What can I say about the team that's worked on it? Mukesh sir, Sashwat, who's in a very rich vein of form, I have to say. They're all here today. I'm missing them. And my gratitude to the team. Guys, sorry for pakawing you with all those motivational speeches on set, but we were really trying to push. There they are. My beautiful team, our beautiful team. I would always like get on the mic and give all these motivational speeches. Chalo yaar, is baar kuch karna hai, kuch bada karna hai, gadar machana hai is baar. And of course, the incredible cast, starting with Rakesh sir. Sir, I've watched you ever since I was a little kid in every medium, on stage, on television, in film. And I'm so proud to be sharing the screen space with you in a film like this. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who's an institution in himself. Wow. We are so proud to say that after 49 years of a glorious acting career, I promise you this is one of his most standout performances.
लेकिन अगले साल से मेरा फिर से पहला साल शुरू हो रहा है.
Sir. Thank you, guys. And you know, the thing is, and this is for all our cinephiles, it is very easy to tell a complex and layered story when you have an anchor of entertainment like Rakesh sir. You know, you can tell the story, an incredible story, whilst the audience is thoroughly entertained throughout. Maddie sir, I've seen your work growing up right from the TVS Scooty ad. You know, I can hardly believe that I'm in a movie with you. You're an absolute masterclass, sir. Thank you for all the generosity that you showed towards me and your kind words. You know, there's his performances in Mani sir's cinema. You know, those are the performances that you show, you tell the world, ये ऐसे हमारे देश में भी ऐसे actor होते हैं. You are an absolute genius of an actor, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your talent in this film, sir. You really killed it. And teaser level पे आपने देखा था जब teaser निकला था सब देख रहे हैं and फीडबैक यही था यार मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये माधवन सर है उनका नाम आता है तो पता चलता है अरे ये माधवन सर है क्या लुक है and it's not easy 3-4 hours in prosthetics but sir what a performance I can't wait for the world to see it Arjun sir that was very very kind of you to say I was very very touched by what you said आपको पता है मैं थोड़े से funny tales बताऊंगा ये Arjun sir is known to be the most good looking man on earth okay but of late, people are now understanding his depth and range as an actor, and this look is his presentation. I don't know how you thought of taking him and making him into this absolute monster, sir. वो हमारे सेट पे ना लड़की बोला हाय अर्जुन मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लुक में भी ये हॉट लगते हैं बोला हाय अर्जुन रामपाल है यार but yeah sir the acting has just been absolute aces but more than anything sir thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया चोट लग जाती थी गिरते थे पड़ते थे खून पसीना लगाते थे कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे माथे पे लग जाता था वो ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं चलो you know he was just an absolute beast and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble sir thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा कुछ लोग होते हैं ना मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि they are just like a child prodigy. Like एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. I think Sara, it's testament to the fact that you beat thousands of other candidates to land this part. And it's as if you were born to do this. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई हैं. She is so precocious as a person, as a performer. You are one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better, and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam, sir, you've acted in his films as well, and you've showed your potential, and this is when the world will see you on the big stage, and I'm really, really happy, and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara. Ma'am, आपके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? हमारी अडल्ट रेटेड फिल्म है जो भाषा मैं आपके लिए यूज करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं शायद इस स्टेज को शोभा नहीं देगा आज बड़ा फॉर्मल सा इवेंट है बट आप so, you are an absolute beast ma'am it really takes conviction of another level to back something like this a vision like this and जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में the process can never be easy every step of the way we would face challenges and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion. And it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen?
7.
After 7 years, sir is making a film. And he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He's never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you've put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, "Yaar, karna hai, yaar, dikhana hai dunya ko ki hum kaun hai." You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion. And you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे करता धरता. The man who made it all possible, put it all together and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here, and we had it's a big film, we had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100% because this is a team sport. You see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much.
Well, that was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Ranveer saying.
पहला जवाब यही था कि हम इसको एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं, एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं और इसको ऐसा करें कि दुनिया में कभी किसी ने ऐसी फिल्म ना देखी हो. तो द आइडिया वाज टू सच्चाई से कितना हम करीब रह सकते हैं फिल्म में. तो ऑल द एफर्ट दैट यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट्स मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द धुरंधर्स हियर एंड हियर. हमारे जो HODs हैं, हमारे जो एक्टर्स हैं, पूरी जान डाल दी है उनमें. और हमारे जो HODs ने they have worked under extreme pressure. I just want to apologize to them because I know this was a very difficult film. When I first heard the story, Aditya ko maine pehle, because Aditya when he writes, he never writes with the actors in mind. He only writes the story. My first thing to Aditya was, I think for the lead, Ranveer would be great. He's never done anything like this.
Never done anything.
He would be. And I mean, it all fell in place. I mean, he's done, along with all the actors, I mean, they've just killed it. आप 5 दिसंबर को देखिए, हम ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहते फिल्म के बारे में, मगर थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू, द HODs, द crew, and most of all, thank you Jyoti, thank you Priyanka, thank you the entire Jio team for backing this up. This could not have been possible otherwise. Yes.
Thank you. Sir, I'd just like to add, before we get to the main person, I would just like to add this about Aditya. So one quote is most certainly true in his case, is that if your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. You know, that could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir and Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today. And it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. You know, Bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the major motion picture heroes from the 90s, copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special.
Show it to people how you copy him.
सर आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया, मैं बोल दूंगा तो वायरल हो जाएगा. SP असलम अगर दगाबाजी की तो मारने से पहले तुझे रंडवा बनाऊंगा. और जमील साहब आपको खस्सी.
Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Here, let's hear it for Sanjay Dutt Saab and Akshay Khanna. Two of the most amazing actors that we have in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to Jio Studios की यहाँ पे जो करता धरता है, जिन्होंने इससे पहले भी बड़ी सारी जो कमाल की फिल्में उनको बैक किया, but this time, for the first time, I am seeing Jyoti Deshpande ji a little emotional. First things first, मैम पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ ये एक अलग इमोशन चेहरे पे आया है. Talk to us about that पहले.
Thank you everyone for coming here again. Yes. मैं बार-बार बुलाते रहती हूँ, but इस बार, it's something else only. I think 30 साल से फिल्में बना रही हूँ मैं, and सबके साथ पहले भी बहुत सारी फिल्में बना चुकी हूँ and success भी पाया है, except you, and hopefully this is one of many. But I think जो हम बोलते हैं words career defining, clutter breaking, genre bending, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें theoretically बोलते हैं, but one has seen it come to life. क्योंकि real बारूद तो ये आदमी है. He has sort of taken all that fire that was built in him for the last 7 years, and we've been working for a very long time on several stories that he has produced, and he was working on this one, and all that fire, all that angst, all that, any words will fail to describe what we experienced. So ये picture नहीं है, हम सब ने कुछ experience किया है बनाते हुए, and we are very excited to unleash it to the world. As an Indian, I believe that movies have a lot of influence, and we sit in positions of responsibility to tell stories that are meaningful and that have a lot of purpose. And this one, while it entertains such that it's going to blow your mind, it also has a lot of purpose, and it makes me proud as an Indian to have told this story. So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. It's now all we look forward to is presenting it to the audiences and let them have some fun.
Ma'am, just one more thing, collaborating and partnering with B62 Studios one more time. And यहाँ पे जब शुरुआत हुई थी उस समय वो क्या विजन थी या क्या चल रहा था कि इसको इस लेवल पे हमको माउंट करना है, क्योंकि people are talking about the international level of whatever we seeing on that big screen.
देखो अभी हम इनके साथ काफी फिल्में बना चुके हैं, तो हमें पता है कि वो पहले फंसाते हैं. तो पहले वो अंदर करते हैं, पूरा कुछ बताते नहीं है, और जब आप अंदर जा चुके हो आप फिर चलते जाते हो एक विजन में. बट ये आदमी से ज्यादा प्योर आदमी है नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री में. इतना प्योर इंटेंडेड है, हिज इंटेंशंस आर सो प्योर that he brings out the best in everyone. And Ranveer, I have worked with you on several films, Bajirao, Ramleela, we've had Singham. However, the way you've surrendered mind, body and soul to this one, it's, we feel it's career defining. मतलब दुनिया उठ के देखेगी, not just India. Well done everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I
Thank
just
you for
want to
sharing
add
that.
to what ma'am said. When a person is so righteous in their intent, when he has a purpose behind telling the story, something great always comes out of it. Or like you, ma'am, I also went along with it, faced every challenge along the way, and he was leading from the front with such passion that it was infectious, it was contagious, and I'm only ever so grateful to you, sir. You didn't, not for a second did Arjun ki aankh hoti hai na? Oh, that's how you've gone about this film, sir. We were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that, our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it, in that same stage, I said, sir, ye aisi Hindi cinema mein bani nahi hai. He's like, I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying. तो ये है लंबी छलांग और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss, यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.
Absolutely. वो नहीं, जब लोग आते हैं सुनाने के लिए बोलते हैं, extraction meets inception या mission impossible meets XYZ, and मैं तभी नरेशन बंद कर देती हूँ. So अब मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि ये फिल्म की मिसाल दी जाएगी कि धुरंधर meets XYZ, लोग कोशिश करते रहेंगे. I've always wanted to be, in my position, a kingmaker. I think this film will make many kings and a beautiful queen.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the writer, director, and producer of Dhurandhar, Aditya Dhar. Give it up for him. पहले तो मतलब शक ही हो जाता बिकॉज ही इज सो स्वीट, यू नो, एवरी टाइम यू मीट हिम ही इज लाइक वेरी वेरी यू नो नाइस टू यू. ऐसे हमें आदत नहीं है सर, मतलब थोड़ा टशन देना चाहिए आपने भी. लेकिन यहाँ पे विद दैट स्माइल, प्लीज टेल अस, यू नो, वी ऑल लव्ड द टीजर एंड नाउ विद दिस ट्रेलर you've outdone yourself like completely. So what do you have to say? The hype is real. ये सिर्फ छाती बजा के हम बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are actually showing it on that big screen. Talk to us about it, sir.
So when we started this journey, there was a gap of almost 5 years that I hadn't made a film. And when I started writing it, somehow I started getting, and thanks to Mukesh Chhabra, when we started casting, when Ranveer came on board, he started casting. Somehow we started getting hold of people who were there to prove themselves. Right. हमारी टीज़र में एक डायलॉग है, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक हूँ. वो सब घायल थे. एंड उन्होंने जो परफॉर्म किया, इतने घातक तरीके से परफॉर्म किया हर एक ने, हर HOD ने इतने ब्रिलियंट तरीके से परफॉर्म किया है. इट्स एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. Everybody has put their heart and soul into this film. It doesn't happen very often. Like, कई बारी होता है कि HODs get into a project because there is money is good. कई बारी they get into a project because it's prestigious. This was a project जिसमें absolute pure intent. Actors से लेके, HODs से लेके, even assistant से लेके, even spot दादा तक. Everybody was like कि यार इस फिल्म के लिए जान देनी है. We have worked 16 hours, 18 hours continuously for 1.5 years. And not even once has anybody complained कि sir आप हमसे ज़्यादा काम करवा रहे हो. Everybody has given their 100%. Absolutely, and that's how this film happens.
सर मैम ने बोला ना आप ऐसा एक बार लेते हो अंदर और उसके बाद you know, लपेट लेते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर वही होने वाला है. You have to say it on the mic.
I said we also didn't complain कि ज़्यादा पैसे लग रहे हैं.
कर दी उन्होंने काम की बात. प्लीज टेल अस सर, देयर इज अनदर थिंग, यू नो, मैंने सुना है आपने इसकी पूरी मेकिंग को यू कॉल्ड इट एन एक्ट ऑफ गॉड. सो यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. थोड़ा एलैबोरेट कीजिए. और साथ ही यू नो ही इज वन ऑफ दो स्टोरी टेलर्स लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन जो कि शायद फिल्में बनाना, भारतीय फिल्में बनाना, उन्हें ग्लोबल लेवल तक पहुंचाना अपनी नेशनल ड्यूटी समझते हैं. सो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में भी बताइए.
So I don't believe in the languages in India. I believe that we are representing Indian film industry.
Yeah.
Our job is to take Indian film industry to international level, to make it stand at the same podium where South Korea के लिए Parasite stand हुई थी, जहाँ पे Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon China के लिए stand हुई थी. I also want to reach that position जहाँ पे हम जब खड़े होंगे तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि हिंदुस्तान से बहुत ही इंटरनेशनल लेवल की फिल्म आई. एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट्स एंटरटेनिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक आप मतलब उसको आर्ट हाउस के कैटेगरी में नहीं डाल रहे हैं. आप एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म बना रहे हो और पूरी दुनिया के लिए बना रहे हो. एंड दैट हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन द इंटेंट. सेकेंड इज वी I don't know about me, but I know that my team went on to God mode in this film. My actors went, each and every scene, my actors were in it 24/7. Be it Arjun sir, Maddie sir, Rakesh sir, Sara, Ranveer, Akshay sir, Sanju sir, everybody was like on God mode in this film.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, मैंने ऐसा कभी लाइफ में नहीं देखा कि एक बार हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे और पैकअप हो गया रणवीर का. थोड़ी देर में देखा कि एक असिस्टेंट जो है पूरा क्राउड मैनेज कर रहा है टोपी पहन के. मैंने कहा इतना अच्छा कौन कर रहा है काम. बाद में मालूम पड़ा रणवीर वहीं बैठा हुआ, गया ही नहीं वापस. ये ही वाज असिस्टिंग, यू नो, बहुत देर तक. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 घंटे तक ही वाज मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग व्हाट एन असिस्टेंट शुड डू. दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ कमिटमेंट रणवीर शोड इन दिस फिल्म.
Thank you, sir. This is one of those films where, you know, you'll do anything for the shot.
Absolutely.
Anything for the shot. And when that is the attitude that every person on the team goes in with, then you get something you can be proud of. And I'm very, very proud of what we've made.
Absolutely.
Thank you, guys.
Extremely proud of. Can I call my HODs on stage,
For sure,
please?
sir. Of
Can I have
course.
all my HODs? And one thing I want to tell you guys. Yeah, Mukesh, Sashwat, Smriti, Preeti,
Yay!
Varun, Manav, Soumya, everybody, come guys, come on stage. there are one or two mentions, like special mentions, special names I want to mention. Sameer Sadhwani, my first AD, phenomenal. Rohan, my associate director, phenomenal. Thank you so much. And one name is, and the entire team, all the assistants on this film, be it like costume department, art department, all the assistants. Thank you so much for bearing with me for such a long time. One name I want to mention over here. You guys really enjoyed the teaser. You guys really enjoyed the trailer. I just want to tell you, the teaser and the trailer was cut by my 22-year-old DA. His name is Ojas Gautam. Can I have Ojas on stage? He deserves to be here. He's 22 years old. He's very close to me. He was there with me from, I think, 2020, 21 onwards. He was there with me when I was struggling and we were trying to make Ashwathama happen. And one of the reasons why I was able to make this film was because of the persistency of this boy. Because he never stopped believing in me. He really, really pushed me. Another name I would like to take is my editor, Shiv Kumar Panikar, who's also one of my closest friends. That guy has backed me right from Uri days. He has been one of my oldest film friends. And these two boys really, really pushed me, really, really made this film happen. It was all their persistency that we are standing here. And it's all their hard work. It's been almost 72 to 76 hours this boy hasn't slept. He was cutting this trailer till 4 in the morning and then got the DCP done and everything. So please give a big round of applause to Ojas.
I want to add something about Ojas. You should know कि आदित्य फिल्में बहुत बढ़िया बनाता है, but narration बहुत बकवास देता है.
मैं देता ही नहीं हूँ, मैं देता ही नहीं हूँ.
Ojas is the one who converts scripts to green lighting. वो इतना बढ़िया narration देता है कि you know all those scenes come to life, and all the films that we made with B62.
She insists कि I want Ojas.
I insist कि Ojas सुनाएगा, तभी मैं picture बनाऊंगी. नहीं तो picture समझ में नहीं आती है.
So I truly believe next 10 years he's going to be the biggest director in India.
I second that, sir. I second that.
I'll make sure. I'll make sure he becomes the best director in India.
Ojas sir, namaste. Ojas sir, namaste.
15 seconds I want to take to actually apologize to my team. You know, Priyanka, Deepa, Kamita, Swapnil, Udit. I know I've become a monster, and you know, it's not all smiles and, you know, sense of humor like I'm seeming now. So thank you for putting up with me.
Thank you, Gio. Team Gio, phenomenal. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much. And I must say, you know, जिस honesty से एक चीज यहाँ पे बोली है और वो जो bond यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, वो ही धुरंधर को धुरंधर बनाता है. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get to watch this spectacular, whatever this is, that's going to blow your minds away, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is not just a movie,
और
Ranveer.
एक बार
You said it
दिखाओगे?
right, bhai. देखेंगे क्या है ये, whatever this is
Yeah.
something crazy.
और एक बार दिखाओगे?
Sorry?
देखना है तो और एक
Ma'am,
बार दिखाओ.
बनता है, ma'am.
बनता है.
बनता है, ma'am.
5th December is
I-
we'll get, yeah.
I urge everyone to silently watch it so that you catch the dialogues and make a noise and bring the stadium down after the trailer.
Come on.
Lovely.
Let's do
We're
it.
gonna do that. लेकिन उससे पहले भाई एक छोटी सी गुजारिश, I know.
Photo?
या एक इस टीम के साथ फोटो कर लें?
चलो.
हाँ. is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. एक बार वापस से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा पूरी टीम से कि प्लीज टेक द सेंटर स्टेज. बाबा प्लीज आइए. एंड या इट्स टाइम फॉर अ क्विक पिक्चर विद द एंटायर टीम, राइट?